Hi, how are you? My name is Yaakov. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to try to give a beginner's guide, showing you how to use the program in the most easy and intuitive way. There are many features that we will not address that can be addressed in other videos. Please reach out to me for a free consultation, and I would love to discuss the options. Here, we're just going to show you a few screenshots of the program. Again, please reach out to me or view the other videos for more information. The program was created a while ago mainly to automate the page layout, that you don't have to tediously lay out the book. However, once we started with that, there's actually many more features. And again, please reach out to me for an absolutely free, no commitments consultation. Here is the page layout. There's a lot more. There's a reservation list. There's like a little simple, cute report. There's a customer list. There's a customer history. You can view any customer's history. Right now, today, we're going to focus on the reservation list. So here's the flat plan. Um, there's a button here, InDesign. You click InDesign, it opens InDesign and makes the book. Before doing that, I just want to show you some options. Eastern Electric, if you hover over it, you can see the ad. You can also click the preview button to preview the ad. I don't want him on page 5. I want to switch him to page 8. So I'm going to hit here. I'm going to swap page 5 with page 8. Also, last minute, a customer just called. He wants to place a half-page ad. I'm going to put him on page 3. Let's make him, I don't know, quantum computing. Um, and let's select a file, that one with the clothing. You can view the file. You can also technically pull a file from the history. This example doesn't have a history. So if a customer says, run my ad from last year, 2 years ago, you just pull up the history, no searching for files. I'm going to click Save Changes. Now, as I work, I can add pages, delete pages. I can place customers in future issues. I can create custom packages. If a customer says he wants to go 5 times, in the middle there's a load issue button. I can choose which issue to load. Right now we're looking at issue 1. So you can place customers on a calendar. There's an email feature. I could send out mass emails. I can charge credit cards, send out invoices. So on this book, this is the flat plan. I showed you how to move pages around, how to add new pages, how to place new bookings. Right now there are 15 ads. This ad, quantum computing, he goes right into, there he is. He goes into the main list. You can now view his history, and there he is. Obviously, and then once there is a history, it will be used often, I assume. I'm going to now click Send, and look carefully on the bottom left of the screen. You'll see it says adding pages. It's slowly going through the book, and now it's done. Now we're going to open up the book that was just created, and here you have it. Here's page 2. Why, There. Page 3. This is, if you remember quantum computing, this is the file that we connected. For this is an ad that was not connected to a file. And here's the layout. So you really do not have to, going back to the layout sheet, you do not have to sit and manually lay out the book. You also do not have to um, redo the whole book when a change comes in, because since there is no layout, you can begin later on. This is actually a small part, and there's a lot more. Please reach out to me for a custom free meeting. We also send a Amazon gift card for anyone who's interested in a free consultation. Thank you so much, and have yourself a great day.